Varo transfers usually fail when the bank connection is broken, the transfer method doesn't match your account limits, or Varo flags the transaction for security checks before it can complete. By the end, you'll know exactly why your Varo transfer is not working and the exact steps to fix it so the money goes through normally. Start with your bank connection. Varo depends on a stable connection between your linked bank account and its system. If that connection is expired, outdated, or disconnected, transfers will fail instantly. Go into your linked accounts, remove the bank, and reconnect it fresh instead of just refreshing it. Next, check your transfer method. Varo supports different types of transfers, and not all methods behave the same way. If you're trying to send money using a method that doesn't match your available balance or account setup, the transfer can be blocked before it even starts. Switching to a different transfer option inside the app often fixes this immediately. Now look at account verification. If your identity or account details are not fully verified, Varo can restrict outgoing transfers. This usually happens after a login change, phone change, or security update. Completing any pending verification prompts inside the app restores normal transfer access. Another issue is insufficient available balance. Varo can show a balance that looks correct, but pending holds or recent transactions can reduce what's actually available to send. Checking your available balance instead of your total balance helps avoid failed transfers caused by this mismatch. Now consider security flags. If Varo detects unusual activity like multiple transfer attempts, new device logins, or rapid changes in account behavior, it may temporarily block transfers for protection. These blocks usually clear after a short waiting period, once activity looks normal again. Also check app and system issues. Outdated app versions, or corrupted cache data, can stop transfers from processing correctly. Updating the app or reinstalling it forces a fresh connection and clears hidden errors that affect transactions. Here's the simple breakdown. Varo transfer issues usually come from broken bank connections, incorrect transfer methods, verification problems, insufficient available balance, security restrictions, or app glitches. Do this next. Reconnect your bank account, confirm your identity is fully verified, check your available balance, and update or reinstall the app. Then restart your phone and try the transfer again after a short wait. If it still doesn't work, your account may be under a temporary security review, and waiting is often enough for transfers to unlock again. Fixing these steps restores normal transfer function for most users without needing support.